Costelata de Porco com Abacaxi. Pork chops with pineapple. A main dish from Brazil. You will need 11
Serves
ingredients. Step 1. Chop the pineapple and cut into slices, put 4 slices aside. Step 2. Prepare the chops. Clean and dry them and dash them with salt and pepper. Step 3. Put the oil and the butter into a frying pan. When brown, add the chops and fry for about 20 minutes. Step 4. When done, arrange them on a hot serving dish and put aside. Step 5. Fry the 4 slices of pineapple in the same fat as the chops, about 1 minute on each side. Step 6. Arrange 1 slice on each of the chops. Step 7. Put the rest of the pineapple in a blender and blend. Step 8. Mix the blended pineapple with the lime, or lemon, the corn flour, the Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper. Step 9. Add this mixture to the fat. Step 10. Add a little water and bring to the boil and pour over the chops. Step 11. Garnish with watercress. Step 12. Serve with white rice. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.